7.5 is we got, and then they're asking total shareholder return. This I won't do. You should be doing. I'm giving you time because I have explained you how to do total shareholder return. Okay. This is the question in front of you. I want the answer.
So go to the third one. What is the question they are asking?
Total shareholder return, sir.
Total shareholders
Return.
returns.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So what would you want for total shareholder return? You want the share price for the current year, which is 5.16. You want the share price for previous year. That is what your investment is, 4.70. You want the current year dividend, which is 0.08585. And then your share price, 4.70, your investment. Now you calculate this. In 200, we'll get the answer. Tell me what's the answer.
1.8, sir.
1.8. Are you sure? 11.8 or 1.8? 1.8.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, let's do this. So 5.16, 4.70. It's 11.6%. Just check. Once again, do the calculation fast. We'll move forward. Please confirm. Fine. Let's move forward. See, to maximize shareholders' wealth, three types of decision the management should take. We have already discussed about this, and also I told you that risk management is integrated with all these decisions. So it is very essential to integrate this with all the crucial decisions what the organization takes. Fine. We have already done the ratios, right? I want you to do one question fast. We will discuss all this, don't worry, in the next class. I'm giving an activity. They're asking you to find out the ROC, interest coverage, and total shareholder return fast. The data is in front of you. I'm waiting. Because ratios part is done from the first chapter. Entire ratios have been covered. So I'm not going to cover this, but I'm going to solve the activity with you. Come on, take this. This is the question. They are asking you ROCE. They're asking you interest coverage ratio. They're asking you total shareholder return. So ROCE is what? Return on capital employed. So it is PBIT by capital employed. So what is your PBIT? 9,500, yes. So we are going to take 9,500 divided by what is your capital employed? Shareholders funds plus long-term debt. Add both of them.
Long-term debt.
Yes, sir. Just tell me the answer. %27.3%. Next. Interest coverage ratio. The formula for interest coverage ratio is PBIT by fixed interest charges. So your PBIT is fixed interest charges. Your PBIT for the current year is 9,500. See, I am doing it for the current year. You can do it for the previous year as a homework, please. So 9,500 and the fixed interest, what you need to pay is for this year 1,000. So it is 9.5 times. Great. Then last comes TSR. So we need to have current year share price. So current year share price is not given. So how to find out? So we have been given PE ratio. So PE ratio formula is market price per share by earnings per share. This is the formula. So earnings per share, can we calculate? Yes. How we calculate the earnings per share? First, we will look at the preference dividends not given. We have profit after interest and tax. This is our net profit for EPS calculation. Preference dividends is nil. So I'll just minus 0. So profit after tax by outstanding shares. How many shareholders are there? 9,000. So what is your EPS for the current year? 5,700 divided by 9,000. So it's like 0.633. So the PE ratio for the current year is 18. Market price per share by 0.633. We'll cross multiply, and we want for the previous year also, because we want to check the total shareholder return. So previous year PE ratio is 17. Market price per share by EPS for the previous year. Previous year profit after interest and taxes 5,100 divided by outstanding shares 9,000. So it is 0.566. Cross multiply. 18 into 0.633, 11.394, 17 into 0.566, 9.622. This is your current year share price. This is your previous year share price. So current year, so what is your total shareholder return? P1 minus P0 plus dividend divided by P0 into 100. So we'll find out the dividend also, what company is giving this year. Dividend per share, so 2200. So dividend yield ratio, so 2200 is for finding out the dividend yield ratio. It is dividend yield is nothing but dividends divided by market price per share. So we will see the DPS. Okay. Dividend yield is DPS. DPS, dividends per share by market price per share. So what is dividends per share for the current year? 2200 divided by 9,000. This is the number of shares. 0.244. So this is the dividend yield ratio. Okay. So current share price is 11.394. Previous year share price is 9.622 plus 0.244. Whole divide by 9.622 into 100. Please tell me what's the answer? $20.9, approximately 21%. Please check this. I'm just like waiting. So let's check the answer. Backside we have. So here we are, interest coverage ratio is this. We did ROC also, right? Yes. And we got 21%, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this we did everything, right? I don't know what method they have followed, but I have done with my method. So that is like you can really understand how I've done and what's the way. So ROC was 27.4 only, right? Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. So we are done with this also. We'll continue the topic in the next class, and next class will be the end of this chapter on Thursday. So my plans, please listen. I'll share my plans with you. This is the first chapter in financial management. This is going to be done by Thursday. I'm going to take up this section, investment decision, these 4 chapters at one stretch and go. 1 week, I will take 1 week and finish this. Okay. So this carries 20 marks confirmed plus 4 to 5 MCQs. Very crucial chapter with respect to examination, 30 marks weightage for only these 4 chapters. My next target is that. Fine. So let's connect on Thursday. We'll finish this at any cost, and I'll finish and I'll stop the class. Okay. Let's connect on Thursday. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.